Good morning, Asha here from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Academy of Technology. Today I will be discussing on the projection of triangular lamina in that beta angle problem. Problem goes like this. It's an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 sides lies on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 45 with HP and one of its medians is inclined at 40 to VP. Draw the projections. So the problem is of equilateral triangular lamina and each side measures about 25 and it is resting on one of its sides on HP. And the lamina makes 45 with HP and 40 with VP. So first position, it is resting on one of its sides on HP. So the next position, second position will be inclination with respect to HP and third position will be inclination with respect to VP. It is resting on one of its side or edge, so that side should come to the extreme left position. And it is resting on HP, so first position we should start from below the XY line. Second position, it makes inclination with respect to HP and they have given it is 45 And whenever in the problem you come across medians or perpendicular bisector or diagonal is inclined to VP, then it will be a beta angle problem. So it's an equilateral triangular lamina. That means all the sides are equal to 25 and all the angles are equal to 60 So when viewed from the top, it will appear as a triangle and it is named as A, B and C. If you want to write the front view, A is visible and B is visible, whereas C dash will be hidden. And in the front view, the triangle will appear as a straight line. This is the views in the first position. So draw XY line. Represent VP and HP because you are doing the problem related to first angle of projection. It measures about 25 so draw a line equal to 25 then measure the same 25 and cut from both the corners. Now join these using visible line. This completes the construction of equilateral triangular lamina measuring 25 Name it as A, B and C. Now project it onto XY line, all the points. And your front view is a straight line. You have to represent the median. Median is nothing but the line joining from any one of the corners to the opposite midpoint of that edge. And when viewed from the front view, A dash is visible, B dash is visible, but C dash, which is behind A, is not visible. So it is written within the bracket and represent that line using visible line. Now second position is 45 with HP. Draw an inclination line equal to 45 Then in compass, measure from A dash to B dash. With A dash on the XY line, cut an arc on the inclination line. Connect through visible line. And trim the unnecessary lines. Now project both the corner points and project the top view also. A with A dash, that is the point A, B with B dash, C with C dash. Now connect them through the visible line. This is the triangle in the second position when it is tilted to 45 degree. A, B and C. So this completes the second position. Name the median as M1. Represent the angle. Angle is 45 degrees with HP. Third position 40 degree to VP. Draw a 40 degree inclination line. Here it is a beta angle problem. So measure the median from the first position. True length has to be taken first. So mark anywhere on the 40 degree inclination line. Draw the locus. This is the locus of M. Measure M1 to B, that is the median from the second position. With the B as the center, cut an arc on the locus. Join M1 and B through the projection line. And you have to measure the angle, that is the beta angle. It comes somewhere around 65 degrees. So this is M1. Now we have to construct the point C and A. So measure B to A from the compass and keep the one end of the compass on point B and draw an arc. Again from M1 to A, measure the distance from the second position. With M1 as the center, cut an arc. This is the point A. Again from B to C and M1 to C. M1 to C, measure it. With M1 as the center, cut an arc. Wherever it intersects, that is the point C. So connect A, B and C. Now project all the points onto XY line and project your front view also. Now name the points. A with A dash, this is the point A. B with B dash, this is point B dash. And C with C dash, point C dash. Connect them through visible line and name it A dash, B dash, and C dash. This is the construction of the triangle in the third position, and you have to represent the beta angle. The beta angle is 65 degrees. So this completes the problem. Thank you.